I'm not going nowhere. I'm not even moving. How am I showing you where I'm going when I'm not even moving? And why does it matter when you have no car and you not moving from where you at? So it does not matter. A person. We got a person up in this motherfucker. What up, Alex? Alex Sandoval in the building. Alex, I might need your help today because we got a lot of trash up in the chat. So I might need your help today, Alex. I'm glad you stopped by. Made a quick 35 on my lunch break with Spark. Let's go. Shout out to Spark for the win. Spark for the winski. I think out of all the gig apps, Walmart Spark is the best one. Me personally, I think Walmart Spark is the best one. For right now. That could change. I got you, Alex. Look, I just made you a moderator. So now you can clean up the chat at your leisure. You know, you have the ability to clean up the chat. Thanks for the $10 Super Thunder. I hope you have a great day as well, my brother. If you do some live streams, I will stop by and check it out. I've been off the live stream game for a minute. I haven't been checking in on nobody's, but if you do one, I will definitely check in. Much appreciated. I hope you have a blessed day. Yeah, Doordash is a slow grind right now. Let me make sure they didn't pause me. No, they didn't pause me. Let's see. We own. Yep, we got a nice little stretch now. We own until 8:30 p.m. You said, do I live in this car? No, I live in my house. But to all the folks who do live in their car, more power to you. They the ones getting all the money because they already ready to work. They always ready to work. I got to get up and get myself together. I got to take a shower. I got to put on some clothes. I got to, deal with the kids. If you live in your car, all you got to do is wake up and get to the money. Yeah, you might, but you getting the money. So shout out to all the people who living in their car and dashing because they really is getting the bag up. The pros of Spark is you won't be doing DoorDash. That's the biggest pro of doing Spark. Show the earnings tab of which one? Of this one? Of this one right here? Let me know. My birthday is August 25th. How long it take you to make 200 in your market? It just depends on which app I decide to work at what given time. That really makes the biggest difference on how long it takes me to make $200. That makes the biggest difference. The quickest time I've done it is 3 hours. Pros is shopping orders, short miles, and not crazy item counts like Instacart. Absolutely right, Jersey man. Couldn't have said it better myself. That's gonna be your best pro from doing Spark is getting them shopping orders and they be dumb, small item count and small miles. Show how much you earn per week. I'm August 1st. Let's go. Shout out to the Leos and the Virgos. Has DoorDash been having you take pics of the receipt? Absolutely. Not every single time, but if you check out the channel, I posted a video about that a couple days ago. Oh shit, Ebony, you'll say her birthday August 24th. Let's go. Shout out to all my Virgos in the building. Shout out to all the Virgos in the building. All right, DoorDash, what's it gonna be? I got a 33 on the AR, so you know I don't care about nothing. Now, either you gonna send me something good, or you know what, we just gonna sit here and have a good old Western standoff. Because if you ain't doing shit, I ain't doing shit. Who gonna shoot first? Who gonna shoot first? Early Saturday, Sunday mornings are my money-making hours, 5 to 9 a.m. coffee rush. Okay. That's what I like to hear. Might have to switch locations, guys. I'm right here by Starbucks, Sonic's, McDonald's, Twisted Biscuit, but ain't shit twisting right now. I might have to go here and regroup. It look like it may be more orders back over there, though. But to be honest with you, like, if I'm right here, I still should be within range. How long y'all want this live stream to go for? It looks like we doing good. We got good, steady engagement, good, steady flow of people coming in and out. I dig it. Steady subscribers being gained. Let's go ahead and check it out real quick. What kind of battery we got? We got 68% right there. Oh yeah, the number's steady going up. I can dig it. I can dig it. If you a new subscriber, look, don't forget, even though you subscribe from a live stream, go back on the channel and watch some of the videos because all the videos is gig economy related, either about DoorDash, Walmart, Uber, how bad they trash office is, Spark, whatever. Instacart, I even got some Instacart videos too. You know, go back through the catalog and check them out because it's not only about these live streams, guys. You got to check in on them videos too because that's where the real gems is at.